Great to have you back, world. This week, the Lunar Express Travels 2-minute travel review is going to be on a small park located in Llano, Texas, known as the Riverway RV Park. Right from the entrance, as you approach the office, you can tell that this park is well maintained and it's got that country home feeling to it. Sites are level and spacious. There is a certain area where you can overlook the river itself, but a walk from any of the other spots is only about 2 minutes. Oh, and be prepared, you'll see deer roaming around all over the place. Not only surrounded by beautiful scenery, wildlife, and gorgeous flowers, and other natural habitats of Texas, the park also has available a clubhouse, laundromat, bathhouse, and Wi-Fi. Speaking of Wi-Fi, our AT&T hotspot worked perfectly. Oh, and don't forget to head to town. There's tons to do and see, as well as great little shops to eat at and history to review. Lastly, how could you go wrong sitting by the river in the evening and watching yet again another beautiful sunset in Texas? Well, thanks for swinging on by and checking out this week's 2-minute travel review, Riverway RV Park, Llano, Texas. Be safe and hope to see you again soon.